So we're going to run this test where I'm cleaning out my lines for my pre-filters for refrigerant, and we're at 0. We have the little vacuum pump hooked on, and we have, this is going to only turn on when the micron level gets high enough. That's the only time that will turn on. And let's open it up and see how long it takes to go from 0. It'll go to 29.9, and then at that point this will engage in the micron level and we'll watch the fall. Let's start. 1, 2, oh, a minute. Gotta have it open right here. There we go. It's open. And now we're going down. There we go. And so this will not connect until this hits 29.9. And you can see the negative pressure going right. Okay, we just hit right now. Why isn't it hooking up? I already hooked up. I'm missing it again. Something is wrong. God damn, I hate this thing. Okay. Shit. Why did it not hook up? Oh, that's why. 28.5. I thought it was going into microns. So there it goes, 29.9. This is what we're waiting for. Come on, go into microns. So this will not turn on until it goes into the micron level. And you see how long this is taking, because it's only a tiny little 2 CFM pump going through a refrigerant 1/4-inch line and going into the manifold. There we go. We just got it. There it goes. Let's get back there. You can see it going down. And we will just wait for it to go down. It'll take a while. It's already, is that where it's going to steady out at? So you're going to see the difference. I'll take a snapshot of this and post it, showing that this is the 2 CFM pump. I'm about to hook up the 12 CFM pump. And we'll be back. So you'll see this with a snapshot of hopefully, at least if I get it down to 1,000, because I may get impatient for waiting because I got a lot of other things to do. Yeah, this is starting to take a long time as we approach the 1,000 micron mark. And this has the minutes counting down. And I'm already hooked up to a dry system. Just trying to purge the nitrogen out and what little moisture from contaminated refrigerant is inside the lines. So, wait for the posting.